Welcome to the unboxing of the EK Quantum Vector FE Water Block for the Nvidia 3090 Founders Edition video card. Gotta get our white opening gloves on. The art of PC modding. Yes, art. Pure art. It has all the RGBs. It's a fairly heavy box. The water block itself is probably the heaviest water block I've ever seen. We'll see how heavy towards the end. But one cool thing is it's much shorter, so it would fit different loop designs, different cases. Let's see what's inside. Do we have a box in a box? Yes, we do. High performance liquid cooling product. So high performance. What's inside? Ta-da! Nice and shiny water block. These come in black and silver with flipped back plates. Of course, they started selling the same color back plates now, so you can make them one color, as they should have been maybe from the beginning. And I probably should have gone to the gym for a few hours before lifting it out of the box, but looks great. Nice and shiny. This one looks clean. There have been some reports that some of the early shipping ones that this has been so difficult to get. They had some debris, maybe manufacturing debris inside. So it is always a good idea to flush these before installing with some distilled water, just so the little particles or whatnot cannot get in the rest of your loop and mess things up. So pretty cool looking block. We have the side pod. Comes with 3 screws you can swap out so that you can route your loop either to the side or front or back, depending on how you have it set up. I think it's one of the better looking water blocks on the market. There are 2 or 3 other ones, I think. And here's the optional panel that you can swap out. I think these light up. We'll check it out later. The RTX 3080 had a block that looks almost like this, the same. Came out a little sooner. And what else do we have? The stock blue thermal pads. There's a plastic screwdriver looking thing and baggie of screws to attach it to the video card. There's a little GPU paste. They're thermal pads. I do recommend getting some higher performance pads and GPU paste as well. That is going to be in the next video. I will going to compare maybe a couple of the better ones and see how the temperatures come out. Do some benchmarking. And also have an install guide on how to put this all together. But for now, this is the unboxing. Great looking piece. And as you can see, 3 pounds, 3 whole pounds and change. I should just get like 4 of these and have gym equipment. Get me strong enough until the 4000 series comes out. See how heavy that one is. And let's do a mandatory flyby here. Brought to you by Baby Yoda. Very nicely built water block. And here's the back. We have the silver back plate. The different color ones are now available for, I think, $40. But keep in mind that there will be an active cooling solution probably coming soon, because the memory is still not quite as cool as would be nice to have. Here are the different colors that are available. And if you want to sync, keep the same backplate. I think it looks better, but that's what that would look like. And yeah, it looks like there's some RGB coming out of the acrylic section. Looking forward to seeing what that's like. So yeah, come back for installation and thermal pad testing.